Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install HP Deskjet 2700 series printer on a computer. To install this printer on a computer you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download, and after that we will see how to install it. So please come on the screen and follow my steps. This is the driver that you need to download. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you just need to right click on that and click on extract to. It will extract all the drivers into a folder at the same location. This is the folder that it has been created. Double click on that, open it up, and you will get an INF file. This one for scan, and this one. This is the INF driver that you will have to use when you install it manually. So please close it for now, we will use it later. So let's start installing the printer with the manual settings. Click on Start button and click on Settings. After that, click on Devices and then click on Printer and Scanners from the left side pane, and then click on that plus icon, add a printer or scanner. After that you will see an option there. The printer that I want is not listed. Click on that. You will get an installation wizard. You will have to choose the last option, add a local printer, and click on next. After that it will ask you to choose the printer port. You will have to choose the port where your printer is connected right now. So the recommended port is USB 001. If you have many printers, then you can go with 002 or 003. Recommended is 001, and click on next. After that, click on Have Disk and click on Browse, and then now go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. We have extracted the drivers on our desktop, so we are going to the desktop here and open up the extracted folder, and you will have to choose here this one, HPY GID 31.inf, this one, and click on Open. Click on OK. Here you will have to click on the first one, HPDG 2700 series PCL3, and click on Next. Click on Next again. It is installing the drivers, so please wait here. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on Next. As you can see, the printer has been installed successfully. You will get the message you have successfully added the HPDJ 2700 series printer. You will have to click Finish to complete the installation process. And go to the printers page and check the printer has been installed or not. This one. The printer has been installed successfully. So that is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.